Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Drafting email campaigns is the easy part. The challenge lies in finding real verified email addresses to ensure your campaigns reach the right people. In this video, I will show you the best way to get verified contacts for your marketing campaigns. Let's go. After exploring various marketing solutions, I found the most dynamic all-in-one tool that simplifies every aspect of your outreach. You can create email campaigns from scratch or with AI and automate your email sequences. It also offers a built-in email finder tool with an impressive database of over 210 million email addresses from 35 million companies worldwide. This allows you to conveniently find new prospects without switching between tools. Want to give it a try now? You can click my link below to sign up and get a starter pack for an all-in access to its features. After signing up for the platform, simply navigate to the People tab on the left side of the screen. As you can see, the platform shows that there are over 210 million available accounts. If you know someone's name, type it into the Search People text field above. For more targeted results, you can use the advanced filtering in the email finder to search by company name, job title, location, and more. Then select each account from the search results. Click Save. And choose the list where you want to save your new contacts. And just like that, you have a prospect list. No complicated scraping or complex methods are needed. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.